Hi, I'm Michael Quigley from Kataholos, and I want to talk to you about the most probably powerful moment in your day. It's transitions. So when you move from one thing to another, you move from the house to the car or to the bike, or you get to work or work back to home, or you go for a coffee. There are about maybe, 5 or 6 transitional moments where you're actually physically moving in the day. They're really, really powerful. You can leverage that, you can utilize that. So for example, you might be leaving the office, feeling really stressed, stop, take some deep breaths. Or as soon as you get home, that transitioner coming through the door. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give my boyfriend or girlfriend a hug or see the dog. You're going to have these transitional moments, so make the most of them. Don't just blindly step through a door. Don't just blindly get into the car. Leverage them. Say, right, I'm getting in my car and then I switch on my audiobook. I'm coming in the door now. I'm going to make sure I give that person a hug. I'm getting to work now. I'm going to get a good posture, clear my mind and give myself my best day. So take the time today to enjoy those transitional moments and make the most of them.